Good morning. Today is Thursday, February 7th, and I want to revisit the one stock that I am definitely looking for a trade setup. If you remember on yesterday's video, I was talking about CCI, not the indicator, but the stock. Crown Castle International, okay? Obviously, this stock is really strong, okay? We found, with my scan that I ran, I found this stock setting up, okay? Looks very similar to what happened in here, right? I'm circling again, so you see that inside pattern. Back to the 50 exponential moving average, between the mid to the lower band. We're getting that here as well, okay? So yesterday I pointed out that if the market had taken out the high of that inside bar, let me point that out again so you can see it, that I would be looking to go long. I was looking to go long at 71.36, right above the high of this inside bar, right? The high of that bar was 71.26. Okay, so I like to go 10 cents above. You know, 10 to 20 cents above is fine on a stock over $50, $60. I chose to use 10 cents, 71.36. But as you can see yesterday, the market was not able to take out that high. Instead, we created even a tighter bar. I mean, even a smaller bar. It wasn't inside, but it was a really all right. So I'm not, just because it was not executed yesterday doesn't necessarily mean that I'm not going to continue watching this. As you can see, look at today so far. Okay, today has actually been able to take out this low here. Let me just show you here. Look at the cursor here. Today, the market actually came down to 69.91. It tested the 31st of January's low of 69.99. Okay, so it only took it out by about 8 pennies. Okay, now the market's trading at 70.10, but this is how I'm looking at it now. Okay, if the market isn't able to go a whole lot lower, let's just say the market closes mid-range. Okay, what I would be looking to do is I would be looking to buy this market. Okay, I would be looking to buy this market above yesterday's high of 70.84. I'd go up to 71.01. Okay, so write this down. This is the potential play here. I'm looking to go long at 71.01, and my stop would be below these lows by 10 cents. Okay, so I'd be looking to enter the market right in here, 71.01, with an initial stop loss down in here at 69.89. Okay, so let's see, I wrote this down and I'm looking for this play. So again, I'd be looking to go long at 71.01 with an initial stop loss, what do I have written down? It's 69.81. Okay, I would be risking only $1.20 per share on this. So again, it's up to you on how you want to position size yourself into this trade. Okay, I typically never risk more than 1%. Yeah, well, the most I'll ever risk is 2% on any single trade on my entire account balance, but that's rare. I usually keep it to 1%, sometimes even less than that, and sometimes maybe 1.5%. So it's up to you on how you want to trade this. Okay, so this is, I'm still looking at this. Again, the market is starting to contract down in here. We are definitely at a significant level. Right, this is a support level. Now look at, if this trade does not pan out, that's fine. If the market continues going lower, that's fine. We're not in. Remember, the market's got to prove that the market wants to go higher by going up to 71.01. All right. And I would do it intraday. If today reverses off of the 70.11 where we're trading and actually trades up to 71.01, I would be long. And my stop again is at 69.81. It doesn't matter if it happens tomorrow or if it happens today. I mean, look at, if it happens today, if the market reverses and takes out yesterday's high and goes up to 71.01, we'll have an outside bar anyways, right? And that's one of my powerful patterns, right? Market takes out the prior bar's low and takes out the prior bar's high in an uptrend. That's powerful. So 71.01 is where I'm looking to get long, and my stop, as long as today's intraday low is not violated and or penetrated to the downside, my stop would be at 69.81. Okay, I want to talk about another stock here. All right, here's another trade that I was going to outline for you yesterday, but I was kind of all over the place yesterday morning, and I personally was not able to get in this trade, unfortunately. Okay, Murphy's Law. Murphy always works, right? This is a trade where I got in a little late. It wasn't I wasn't set up properly, and I was not able to take advantage of this. It actually started penetrating through my entry as I was trying to place the trade. It got away from me, and quite frankly, I was real upset about it. This is one of the trades that my scan also found. Take a look at this. This is just absolutely textbook perfect trade setup. These are what I'm looking for all day long, okay? Again, this is a daily chart, and this is a SODA. Stock symbol SODA. It's SodaStream International, okay? Market hit this high. Again, this is a daily chart. Market came down. This is what, again, the scan that brought, my scan brought this back to me. Market came down mid to lower band. Look at this, folks. You have an inside bar here. You have an inside bar here. And you have another inside bar here. You have 3 consecutive inside bars. 1, 2, 3. Right? That's what we got in here. Boom. 3. Perfect trade setup. This was beautiful, beautiful trade setup. But again, I missed the trade, and so I decided not to mention it on the video because as I was doing it, it was that's why you need to be in a little early. You need to set yourself up and be prepared. And quite frankly, yesterday, my wife had some surgery, so I was leaving right after I did my video. So I missed this trade, okay? So this is where it occurred, okay? The trade, the buy was at 49.03 right here, right above the third inside bar's high, right there where I'm drawing. 49.03, okay? My sell stop, right, was right below the low of the inside pattern at 47.99. Okay, that was it. That's the exact price. I was risking $1.04 only. Right? The low of that was 48.50. Okay, I went to 47.99 on this. So let me redraw this again. The buy was at 49.03. Okay, the stop was at 47.99. I was risking $1.04 risk. That's it. $1.04. My profit objective was 2 times what I was risking. So my risk was 104, right? My profit objective was twice that, $2.08. And that actually occurred. That 2 times profit objective was at 51.11. 51.11. Okay? So risking $1.04 to make 208, that's a great risk to reward or reward to risk ratio. I'll take that all day long. And again, that's starting off the trade. Look where the market traded up to. 51.48. Nailed it. Nailed it. 51.48. Okay? So the profit objectives were hit. At this point, I'd be at break even on the remaining portion of the position. You know, and the market never came back. Today's low so far is 49.17. It would have never went back to 49.03. I'd still be long a portion of this, although at least 70% of the position would have been taken off at 2 times the initial risk. So again, I got to be completely transparent and honest with you. I was not able to take the trade, but I had it set up. I had it on my sheet. I had everything. As I was trying to place it, the market was bursting up through this high, and before I knew it, I was 30 cents up through where I wanted to get long. I didn't want to chase the market, and therefore I missed it. I would have been better off just getting in at a 30 cent less. I mean, I would have been better off just getting in with an entry 30 cents less than where I wanted to get in. But I didn't do it. I held back. I hesitated. It got away from me, and it was a great trade. So again, hopefully you can learn from this. Again, you need to be organized. You need to be in a little early. You need to set up your trades. Since yesterday, I had a lot of things going on, and I had to leave. You know, shortly after I had to get in. After I got in, I was all over the place, and it just didn't work out. I missed this trade completely, and quite frankly, it upsets me just because I had it there. I found it the day before, the whole 9 yards. Again, let's just revisit real quickly the CCI. Again, it's traded 70.07. It doesn't look like we're going to get today, possibly tomorrow, but it depends. I mean, if today breaks down through today's intraday low of 69, 69.91 by much, and it closes in the bottom quarter, then I'll more than likely just let this go. It's not setting up. Again, you need to be patient, okay? Hope that helps. Have a profitable day, and I will talk to you tomorrow. Bye for now.